Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is Jordan. I'm the co-founder of Carbon Box Media and Augality. Carbon Box Media is a digital marketing agency that specializes in growing e-commerce brands, and Augality is a marketing agency that specializes in creating augmented reality filters for e-commerce brands. So both go hand in hand. And the whole point of me making this video is just to shine light on a sales funnel that really nobody is talking about. And that sales funnel is augmented reality filters. So I'm going to make myself smaller and this bigger so I can get right into it. So this is the particular augmented reality filter that I'm going to be talking about in this video. Let me just show you what the filter looks like. So let me zoom out. So right here, he lands on a specific golf glove. It has a description of the golf glove. So before that, it's a randomizer filter. So it's all the different golf gloves that this company sells. It lands on the saddle. It has a description of the saddle. And at the very, very bottom, it showcases a discount code that you can only get by playing this augmented reality filter, right? So now that you have seen what that filter looks like, I want to say something a little bit controversial. And you may be saying, Jordan, you're crazy. What are you talking about? And that's only partly true. I know I'm a little bit crazy, but hopefully at the end of this video, I can kind of, like I said at the beginning, get you to see augmented reality as one of the most powerful sales funnels there is. And I'll truly back this up. In my opinion, augmented reality filters are a legitimate contender for the most powerful sales funnel there is right now. And I want to tell you why. So let me tell you why. Okay, so before I go more into the video, we need to understand what a funnel is. And I'm sure a lot of people in the e-commerce space or the marketing space understand what a funnel is. But I just want to be crystal clear on our definition going into this video. So we have top of the funnel, we have bottom of the funnel. Top of the funnel is generating awareness. Awareness generates interest. Interest generates decision. Decision generates action. And action is obviously getting somebody to make a purchase or book a call with you, right? So with this augmented reality filter, going back to this, so again, this is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the augmented reality filter. In regards to generating interest, you can utilize this filter to target a warm audience or a cold audience. So if you have an email list, and let's just say that we're selling blue light glasses, for example, right? And you're a blue light e-commerce brand, or you make blue light glasses, right? And you just released the new yellow frame, super sleek, awesome blue light glasses, right? So you running an email campaign that says, hey, try on our new yellow frame blue light glasses from the comfort of your home without getting up from your chair. I guarantee you somebody's going to be like, what the heck are they talking about? They open up the email, click on the link to the filter, and now they get to see this new, yellow frame blue light sunglass on their face. If they think it's super cool, boom, swipe up, takes them straight to the product page, they make a purchase, right? Retargeting, there's some Blue Ocean retargeting metrics you can use in regards to metrics you can use to retarget. I hope I said that right. So let me repeat. There's metrics you can get from running an augmented reality filter that you can use to retarget that specific audience that's interacted with the augmented reality filter that you can't use. And I'll talk about that a little bit later. Your followers, if you are running this filter through Facebook or Instagram, you could have a permanent story with all your different products. They can try on the product right then and there, swipe, make a purchase. You can have these products on your website, websites in quotation marks, because this could be a warm audience or a cold audience. But the point is you could have this on your website for somebody to try on your website. A cold audience, paid traffic. Like I said, we'll get into that later, but you can run these augmented reality filters via paid traffic to get more exposure. Virality. You'd be surprised, but a lot of these augmented reality filters go viral more times than not. I don't know if you've ever been scrolling on Instagram and you've been seeing, these influencers or micro influencers interacting with an augmented reality filter, and it goes viral. And now people want to try this augmented reality filter, which kind of ties into UGC. You're generating free UGC every time somebody records themselves using this augmented reality filter. So you can use that UGC to generate, more leads. You can use that for paid traffic. You can share that on your story, on your business Instagram or your business Facebook. You can post a TikTok about that. And just going back to the UGC, this guy's reaction to the golf game, it's awesome, right? This is something that generates awareness because this person is generating a good reaction by interacting with the game. And then the last one is shares. Shares, obviously, one of the most important metrics you can use in regards to marketing. There's no better marketing than word of mouth, right? If your buddy who's super into golfing shares this filter with his buddy that's super into golfing, that's just really, really good marketing, right? So let me get to the next slide and take a sip of water. There's my water bottle. I apologize, folks, but I'm a thirsty guy. Okay, so awareness. What's more intriguing? So I'm just going to look at this from a paid traffic perspective, right? So if you're scrolling through Facebook, the traditional white background, product focused image, not saying this isn't generating good ROAS, it's got good copy, it's got a good quality shot of the glove, or is this, like I said earlier, this gets the interaction, this gets this guy's interested to use this filter, which generates awareness and intrigue for somebody else to use this filter, right? So let me go back here really quick. Okay. So awareness gets somebody to try the filter. And then once they're inside the filter, that generates interest, right? They ask themselves, oh, I landed on the Saddler. The Saddler was the black glove that he landed on. And maybe the Saddler's super cool, but they want to figure out like what all the other gloves say, like, oh, that's a really cool glove, but I don't know if that's the right glove for me. Which glove am I? Or which glove is going to be best for my golf game? And if you pause and kind of stop on each one of the gloves, or if you try the filter yourself, they have descriptions of each glove and what makes this glove unique versus this glove, how this glove will improve this area of your golf game versus this glove improving this area of your golf game, right? So that's awareness, that's interest, and now they have a decision. They ask themselves, was this the right golf glove? If yes, awesome. They go to the gloves page, or they go straight to the exact glove that they landed on, and they make a purchase. If no, like I said, they can replay this game to find the right glove, or they can go to the glove page to find out which glove is right for them. And then, like I said at the very beginning, when you watch the GIF of the filter being used, there's a discount code at the end. So not only can they decide which glove is right for them, but they get a 20% discount code that they can only use if they've interacted with this augmented reality filter. So now you have this call to action at the end to at least go visit the product page, right? And so you can have these filters either direct them straight to the products page. So with this makes sense because it's a randomizer filter and it showcases all the different products. So let's say that they landed on the Saddler, which again was that black glove, but they decide, ooh, the Range Rooster seems like it's more, up my alley. Then they can purchase the Range Rooster, right? Or if they land on the Saddler and that's the right glove for them, they can swipe up and it'll take them directly to the Saddler where they can make a purchase, or the Saddler, where they can make a purchase. And they can either subscribe, purchase at one time, they can select what size it is. But the point is, it takes them straight to the bottom of the funnel after the interest, or the awareness, the interest, the decision, the action. I don't know if I'm portraying this in the correct way, but whether this is being run via organic traffic, paid traffic, warm audience, cold audience, it's really hitting every single aspect that a good sales funnel needs, right? So at the very end, they can make the purchase and they can enter in that discount code that they only got by interacting with this particular AR filter. And let's just say, let's play devil's advocate here. We want to be smart as marketers, that they don't go to the website. Well, you can retarget this specific audience with new metrics. And these metrics are blue ocean metrics. So let me move myself up just so y'all can see this. You have opens, you have captures, you have saves, you have shares, impressions, average time open. And this is kind of interesting right here. If you're a marketer, if you've run a Facebook video ad, a 12-second average open time is really, really good. And this is what you can expect when running an augmented reality campaign, is a much longer average open time. But you can retarget these metrics that, and I know I sound like a broken record here, you can only get these metrics by having people interact with an augmented reality filter. And these are all people that have interacted with an augmented reality filter. Just a tip, if you are going to retarget these metrics, some vanity metrics here are impressions and opens. These aren't super powerful, but people who save this for later, this is definitely somebody that you want to retarget. The capture is somebody who recorded themselves using it, or they took a picture of what golf glove they were. And then obviously shares. If they shared this with their friend or their buddy, this is somebody you want to retarget because they were inclined enough to share this, right? And these, like I said, I know, broken record Jordan over here, these are metrics you can only retarget. This is an audience you can only retarget if they've interacted with this augmented reality filter, right? So you already have this huge ocean of people that you can retarget that's very, very blue ocean and specific to people that have interacted with this mini sales funnel, right? So I hope that all made sense. I hope I explained that, at least somewhat well. And if this is interesting to you, I'd love to chat with you about creating you an AR funnel. My team and I have 1,000+ different designs. I think in total we have 9 billion impressions. I almost at 10 billion, but I mean, hopefully by next video we'll be at 10 billion. My team and I have about $25 million in ad spend. We have experience in regards to creating funnels that sell and work and get you more purchases, generate brand awareness, and just make you more money. So I believe that I'm rambling now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like or book a call with me. I'd love to talk to you about this. And I just appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much, everybody. Hope you have a great day, and I will catch you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.